Shot. Whatever. Wow. Good.
Ekizibu ky'abantu abakutahiira ettaka lya golf club kikyalo kandi nikigenda mu maiso baitwijeri minisita Nankabirwa Kabaale Ruguru nakinguraho Kilembe Mines aina directive eziyaheerize nahabwekyo abantu abakora encroachment obwire Justin Mubonka bukujja kutugambira etukorora ngu at least kyali kizibu ky'amaani bitukanda butwaleka abantu abamu abakke bakakikora. That means the region yona ntuba ntufwerwa.
If we want to nurture the young talent, we have one of the region's best player, golf player so far, Ronald Rugumayo, hailing from the Renzo region. So we want to create many Rugumayos in this region.
About my game was something easy, playing pass and birdies and finishing up on the podium. I always make it easy, be on the fairway and make it easy on the green, like how I did it in the playoffs. To mark on the homeboy, you're a good player, keep up the discipline. The player you are facing has a 12-year experience in the game of golf.
So abantu abasinga nga bwe mubalabye bwe bazze wano beetabye mu mizannyo gya golf naye ate nga bamu eggulo babadde nabo mu parks, so basobodde okuddizaayo ku parks zaffe ku collections nga beetaba mu tourism gye tuyita domestic tourism ne tuba nga tutumbula region eno ey'e Kasese si mu mizannyo gyokka naye ate ne mu bulambuzi.